When you're constantly on job sites, bouncing from project to projects, handling paperwork in your truck, things can get messy fast. That's why I took this RV and made it to my mobile office. It saves me time, keeps me productive, and honestly, makes my life a lot easier. I'll be showing you why you want one too. Most people use an RV to escape the rat race. I turned mine into a mobile command center. Let me show you how I close deals from anywhere, whether I'm parked in the cul-de-sac or out in the country. This is a 2022 Mercedes-Benz Integra. It's 25 feet long, 13'3" tall. This is where the magic happens. Here's my computer. This is the TV that the RV came with. I took this desk, I brought some brackets from Lowe's, installed it on the side of the wall. We attached the desk to the brackets, locked it in place. One time, all this fell completely off the wall. I was driving, I hit a bump, and all this fell. So we had to come up with another idea about putting this post and attaching it to the floor and to the top of it. This right here is actually a shower curtain rod that you can turn and extend. We screwed it to the floor and to the top. Also too, behind me, this is what you call a Murphy bed. And so I said, well, I don't actually want a bed. I want this open space so I can put a desk in here. So I had to make sure that there was not a stationary bed. That's something you have to look for. You know, you're hitting bumps constantly. So you had to make sure you attach all this stuff down. So all my pencil holders, I screwed down. Even my computer, as you can see the duct tape, I've actually took metal brackets and attached it to the desk. Then when I'm driving down the road, I'll take my keypad and my mouse and I'll put it into one of these drawers. Also take my chair and lay it down. I have 2 printers in this office. Used to, I had to go back to the office, print something off, and that could be 25-30 minutes just to drive. So I bought this printer. It prints off 11x17s, and also I have another printer that prints off 24x36. This allows me to print off site plans, survey maps, also blueprints. It just makes things simpler and a lot faster. This is one of the most tricky things that I had to figure out, was how I was going to get Wi-Fi. This is the Starlink. I think I pay about 120 bucks a month, but this is the best and easiest way for me to get my Wi-Fi up and running on my RV. You can also see that I use this mobile office also like a truck. I keep all my tools in here, paint brushes, paint bottles, tools, ratchet, straps, wrenches, everything. This is my mobile office and my truck. When I was deciding about getting a mobile office, I had in mind that I wanted my own bathroom. In the summer, 100 degrees, that porta-john is really, really nasty. Don't want to go in there. My mobile office allows me to have my personal space using the bathroom. I can stop at any time, use it. It's the biggest luxury to have. I carry my lunch with me every single day. I was trying to hunt, find a microwave, use some of the subcontractors' microwave. I'll be waiting in line on a job site 10-20 minutes because everybody's using the same microwave. As you can see, I have my microwave here. I can use it anytime I want to. I can keep my drinks in this refrigerator. It just makes life easier, just one less thing I have to worry about. From a long, stressful day at work, I just want to come in here and relax. I put a waterfall. I also put this, I don't even know what it's called, a thing that you put in there and it smells good, but it's supposed to relax you. It just helps me de-stress, relax. I have a thing or a personal saying to myself, if it feels like home is somewhere where I want to be at, it makes me want to come in here and do office work. The office is 80% of the work, and then the outside is 20%. So this is where it's at. After lunch, sometimes I want to relax, take a nap. In a regular vehicle, and you just leaning back in a chair, I lay down here in the middle of the floor. I'll shut the lights off, turn the AC on, turn my fans on, take a quick nap. You're ever sitting in your truck and you have people waiting on you, looking through the windows to see if you're in there. This allows me to lock the door, sit in the back, make phone calls, make business happen, have nobody bothering me. When buying this RV, I did not know that they'll give you a mortgage just like a house. This RV was $140,000. I put $40,000 down on it, but they gave me a 20-year mortgage that allowed my monthly payment to be $1,000. So my office that I did have was $600 that I was paying to somebody else. For 400 bucks, it's a no-brainer for me. I'll just buy it and keep it. And allows me to go anywhere I want to go. With all that I've showed you, that's why I made this my mobile office. It allows me to close $1 million worth of deals. It allows me to get my jobs faster. stay on task. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. I gotta get to the next job.